Drinking weight loss drinks accompanied by healthy foods and workout will speed up the weight loss process. It's an easier way to move forward in your weight loss journey. These weight loss drinks will not only help you manage your weight, but will also boost your body's metabolism and improve digestion. The best part is that they are super easy to prepare at home. Here are those weight loss drinks that you can kickstart your mornings with.
1. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants. Drinking 3 to 5 cups of green tea per day seems to be optimal to reap the most health benefits. Here are possible health benefits of green tea. It increases fat burning and helps in weight loss. It helps prevent type 2 diabetes. Green tea regulates the production of blood sugar and help lower blood sugar. 2. Coffee. Coffee stimulates the metabolic rate. Researchers discovered that drinking 4 cups of coffee daily increase your metabolic rate to the point and could reduce body fat by 4%. 3. Lemon water. Lemon water can boost metabolism and increase weight loss. It also promotes fullness and support hydration. When you drink cooler water, your body expends even more energy to heat it, so drinking a cool glass of lemon water regularly throughout the day could increase your metabolism, leading to weight loss. 4. Hot water. Drinking hot water boosts your metabolism and helps you lose weight in a healthy manner. Basically, hot water helps break down the fat molecules in your diet faster, which leads to weight loss. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more such topics and videos.